Hi everybody, I've had a few questions asked recently about distributing pages in the OneNote notebook in people's class notebooks. So I just wanted to do a video on clarifying that and showing when and how you would do that. So I'm just showing an example page here that's in the content library of a Year 12 notebook. So the fact that it's in the content library already means the students can see it. So if they only need to see it, then you don't need to distribute it, it's already done. But if they need to do something, like in this example, the idea is that they go away and do a mind map in another application and then screenshot it or save it as an image, or either way, put it here. So, and that way I will be able to see the work that they've done. So what we can do there is either get the students to copy the page into their own sections, or we can distribute it for them. One advantage of distributing it for them is that it can be slightly easier for you. There is a bit of a shortcut in how to review the work, and it's this button up here, Review Student Work. So it could be a little bit better to do it that way, and also at least you'll know they've got it if you distribute it. If you ask them all to copy it, then some may not. All right, so here we are. If I want this page to go to my students, all I'm going to do is go to the Class Notebook tab, go to Distribute Page, and they've got a Unit 3 and a Unit 4 folder within their own sections. So I'm going to choose Unit 4, and that's now being distributed into their sections. So now they'll be able to go ahead and do that. It probably will take a few seconds. So going to Review Student Work, clicking on Unit 4, take a few seconds. All right, so it's got all the pages that it's found in Unit 4 of students' sections. You'll see some untitled pages and some with strange names on them, like data stuff in class. So those are names that students have put on their own sheets, on their own pages. But there's the one that I've distributed, Mind Map Part 1. The fact that it's not bolded means that students have not done any work in there yet. Of course, I only just distributed it, but I can go to any of those students' pages. The fact that I see 2 names under each of these is simply because when I was recording this video, in demonstrating it, I did it twice, which actually gives me an opportunity to show another fairly new or fairly recent feature of OneNote. It's a few years old now, but it wasn't always there, and that's the ability to recall the pages. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to cancel that and go down to Distribute Page, and I'm going to say Undo Page Distribution. All right, it will delete the last distributed pages for all students. That's fine. Click OK. Now when I review the student work, go back to that Mind Map Part 1, click the plus sign, and there's only one of them, and if I needed to, I could recall that one as well. One other thing you might notice is that there's a Lock Pages option. So if I need to see the student's work at a particular point, it's some kind of homework or assignment work, then I can lock the pages and they can't add to the pages after that. The other thing that I'll mention is that you'll notice when I distributed the page, I had some sections already there. Now, normally those are set up when you set up the class notebook, but if you haven't got sections set up, you can distribute new sections. So you can click on that one and it'll ask you for a name, and then you can create the section, and that new section will go out to all of the students, and then you'll be able to send the page to the section that you just created. Okay, so that's pretty much it for distributing pages in your class notebook to the students. There is similar functionality also in Teams, where you can distribute a OneNote page as part of a Teams assignment. It does a similar thing, but I'll cover that when I do a Teams assignments video.